Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 2000 Toyota Estima. It comes with 58,249 miles. It is powered by the reliable 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. This vehicle is 4-wheel drive. It does come with 2 doors, 2 rear sliding doors, and a rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the dash of the vehicle. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. The lights also do go away. Now we're going to go ahead and take a look at the dash up here. So the kilometers that you're looking at, 93,742. That is the kilometers. The miles again is 58,249. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We'll go ahead and start on the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please go ahead and visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com. Or you can give us a call at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. I just want to take the time to tell you guys thank you so much for all the continual support. We do appreciate each and every one of y'all. I do pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.